All right, real quickly, let's talk about how we can manipulate the layer mask of an adjustment layer. We looked last video at how black will completely hide, white will completely reveal an adjustment, such as a black and white adjustment. This is completely visible. I'm going to invert it. This is completely hidden. Okay, so what happens when we actually work with a gradient? So I'm going to go grab my gradient tool. I have my mask selected. I'm going to choose a linear gradient, and I'm going to make sure that it is black and white. So the white area, solid white, will be completely visible based on the adjustment. Black will be completely hidden, and then everything else is going to gradually appear or disappear with that adjustment. I'm just going to grab my gradient tool. I'm going to hold shift because I'm going to drag this in a straight line. I'm going to drag it from one side all the way to the other. I want you to pay attention to what happened. My layer mask is a gradient now. Completely black over here, completely white over here, and then gradually moving in one or the other directions. Now, the cool thing about this is what's being revealed. The black and white adjustment is being revealed, but it's being revealed or hidden gradually based on the color of this mask. So when you're using gradients to show and hide information, just remember that white completely reveals an adjustment, black completely hides an adjustment, and everything in between is going to be a gradual in one direction or the other.